One of the main goals of this Advanced Manufacturing and Carbon Composites Centre is to allow students to have that opportunity to dream big and think about where they can end up working in industry. Pathfinder cutting technology is definitely going to provide students with that next level of understanding how the manufacturing industry can use some of this technology. They've got the opportunity to use state-of-the-art equipment so as it can really advance their learning, and they feel confident that they're going to be able to step into some of these new emerging industries.